Okay, so here's plant number 16 from the Emily's Flower Shop kit from Rolife. And this is actually probably one of my favorite plants that I made. Unfortunately, I lost the footage of me making it. So here you see me just planting the leaves that were already made into the flower pot. But what was interesting about this one is that you took out the cutouts, and there was actually 3 cutouts of the same size, the exact same thing per stem. And so you had to fold each one in half and then glue all 3 together to give it that like 3D look. So I thought that was quite interesting. Here I'm just trying to fold it back to look like they're not all clumped together. It looks kind of weird, but it does end up working out, so that's great. So you saw I stuck the main pieces into the hot glue in the pot, and then I took some other pieces and just put some tacky glue on there to stick them, paper to paper. And I was pinching that one for a while, working out my pinch muscles. And there you go. That's kind of what it looked like. So sorry I didn't have more footage, but if you have this kit, let me know what you think of it, because I really enjoyed making this one. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, but only if you enjoyed my content. If you didn't enjoy it, then please don't subscribe. Bye for now.